Hello my beautiful lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back to my channel if you're not new. Today on Simply Loren, we're in the woods and we're gonna be hiking because I said that I would take part in the 52 hike challenge where you basically hike once a week for the rest of the year. I have been wanting to do outdoor stuff with you guys for a while and I've been talking about it for a while and I haven't done it, so I decided this year is finally the year to do it, and here we are. So I will be semi-vlogging slash hiking with you guys, and it's the first vlog type video I've ever done, so bear with me, but here we go. So as always when hiking, I took a picture of the map and the trail we're going to be hiking. Highly recommend you do this. And then I also found a picture of some common flora and fauna that you might find in the area. Anyway, into the trail we go. He's right in there. The red bird right there, and I tried to get him, but he ran away as I chased him. You might catch a glimpse right here. Oh, he went over there. Bye-bye, pretty birdie. Oh, trees. Yay, trees. Step, step, step. There he goes. The daddy long leg spider. He's running. Pick him up. I'm gonna pick him up. Hold on. Oh, he ran away. Yikes. Ah! Did he fall?
He was scared.
Okay. Oh, he touched me. Oh, no.
Go for it.
Okay. Come on, little guy. Oh, he doesn't like me. He keeps touching me. This is like a big upgrade from my fear of spiders. At least he's touching me. I think he knows I'm scared of him. He's just chilling on this tree. Chilling on the tree. Doo, 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 doo.
You do you, boo.
Mm-hmm. He's just a cool looking tree. The trail's starting to change. Here we go. Steps. I got my camel pack inside my backpack. Usually I carry my dog, but this particular park doesn't allow dogs. So you gotta hydrate before you dehydrate. Oh my god. First we went up, now we go down. One on the trees. Watch where you're stepping. Steppy step. I can't think about this. Okay, so I am currently out in Fredericks Park. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. But I wanted to take you guys with me on my hike journey because it's something I'm really passionate about. I love to do. And also I know that not everyone is able to get out and do things like this. So if I could be your lens to see the world, then I'd love to do that for you. It's so beautiful out here. There was this really cool fallen tree. You could see the roots and everything. So naturally, I had to climb up there and sit down on it. But overall, this was one of the most peaceful points of the hike, and I really enjoyed looking up at the skyline from the bottom of the trees. I couldn't stay there forever because I still had to get to my final destination where I was going to put up my hammock. Onward we go! I found it! The perfect spot! Yay! Okay guys, so I'm gonna set up my hammock on this tree and this tree over here. So you're just gonna watch me do that now. I love this little hammock I have. It's super easy to carry and shove back inside because the bag is attached to the actual thing you're laying on. So like, watch. So you can't lose the bag because it's already attached. Yay. And this one's great because it also closes up like a little clam. I'll show you. I might add a zipper to it because I like that I can like hide in it. But it's got little carabiners and we're just gonna go tie some knots. And I know this can all seem intimidating if you are new to hiking and you've never spent any time out in the woods before, but I promise you, it's such a beautiful and happy space, and if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Just make sure to take a buddy and be prepared, but I'll talk more about that in a different video. Also, you'll see me shaking the tree here. I'm just checking to see how sturdy it is and to make sure that it can hold my weight. I do the exact same thing with the knot as well to make sure it doesn't slip. Might be my backpack, because last time I had to run for my life out of the woods. My rope is not where it's supposed to be, so I gotta go find it. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my rope and I'm ready to do the other side now. Have a drone going. That's the coolest thing ever. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Can you see where it's going?
Oh, yeah. Wow.
How cool.
Oh, so they have like a... Yeah, there's like a strip of houses up here.
Just try to raise it up. That'll hold. Always pull your hammock before you lay in it to make sure it's gonna hold you. Pro tip. Okay guys, so my friend brought a drone. Let's see what it can do. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be so cool. I'm excited. It's the first time I've ever gotten to do this. So. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Oh, there are a bunch of houses. Look at those lawns. They're so perfectly perfect.
So we are right there.
Oh, look. Can you zoom in on us and I can wave?
I can't zoom in, but I'll go down.
Oh my gosh, look, that's me! Hello! Hi! This is so neat. And this is what we're hiking. That's my hammock. Over there. Those are the houses. Mood killers. Wow, this is so cool. And we're at like the top.
We're at the top.
Look, how cool. There's like a clearing over there.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go like towards it? See if you can like get lower.
I may lose good signal. I don't know.
This is so cool. If this was a lake and the water was clear, we'd probably be able to see the fish. Can you imagine how cool that would be? You could like chase the fish.
Are we recording right now?
Yes. Wow. I was just gonna say if nobody's down there, maybe there's like an animal or something.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll catch him. This is so cool. This is the coolest thing. I've never seen a drone before, so I'm really glad that I got to see this. But I guess it's time to land. Wow. That's so freaking cool. That was really cool. Oh, I forgot I was filming. Y'all could hear all of my talking. We got some snacks. Always carry extra food, even if you're not gonna eat it, because you never know what can happen. So always, always carry extra food. Got beef jerky. Yay! I also have a can of soup, just in case. Also, this isn't sponsored or anything, but there's this app called Runkeeper I use to mark my trail and count my calories and things like that. So if you are looking for something, I recommend this, but I'll talk more about that in a different video. I have to pee, so we are trying to lose visibility. That's one of the hardest things to do, is to find a spot to pee. And then as a girl, you have to like get your pants down and then make sure you don't pee like on your legs or anything. But you also always want to make sure you're carrying like some kind of toilet paper or wipes or whatever. So anyway, now we're going back. So here we go, back into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. I have to like, it's fun though. Hiking's fun. Okay, so what I like about this hammock in particular is not only does it have this little bag on the side right here where you can like put your phone and whatever you bring, but also you can lay such that it like covers you like a blanket, which is great because if it's like not super cold out and you want to just hide, peekaboo, you can. So that's one of my favorite things. And the material is like one of those that's kind of like more waterproofy, where the water like slides down. Also a bonus, so protection is nice. So as much fun as it is chilling out on this hammock here with this beef jerky and my snacks, it is time to pack up because we get caught out here after the sun sets. The temperature is gonna drop and it's gonna be a mess. So it's time to go. Always try to leave it cleaner than you found it. The end. Well, look, a choice we have to make. That was pretty fast. I feel like it cut us up to the...
It was like really quick.
The sun setting made the woods look so beautiful. It really made for the perfect ending of our first hike in this 52 hike challenge, and I'm so excited to come back out and do this again. Okay guys, it was so good to go hiking with you. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I will see you on the next hike. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content, and love, Loren. Bye.